Boom. All right. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about discounts, and because it's changed so much in Shopify, right? But, and Kelly, I am recording this, so you can see this on the website. I will upload Friday's bootcamp video, and I will upload this one as well to my website, and I'll put a link in the e-commerce chat. So let's go to discounts, right? And as I said, I've been messing around discounts because I'm writing about it, and it's changed so much. So I know most people have discounts already. So if you're looking at my discounts, I have discounts for emails that are automatic, which means that it's an order discount, and I've activated in my email provider, which means that OmniSend is my provider, and Shopify obviously can do this as well, is I activated it in the email. So every time somebody joins my newsletter, they get a 10% discount on an entire order. So that's the order discount. And then I do have, it's very confusing because every time somebody logs in and joins, let's see if I can get to the end here. Well, okay, those are all mine. But if you're looking at creating a discount, you have the amount of the products, which is a product discount, the amount of the order, which is an order discount, and each one of these have different options. And then buy one, get one, which is a product discount again. So you've got three classes: product discount, order discount, and a shipping discount, which is a free shipping discount. So I'm going to run through all four of these so we can see the difference. And there is a difference with each one of these. Ooh, let's see if she popped in. Hang on. Okay. Oh, okay. She is on her phone. I'm so sorry that you couldn't log in, Nancy. Okay. All right. I'm getting distracted here by the bing bings. Let's see if I can, participants. Okay. Anyway, discounts, and this is recorded, as I said. So first, the product discount. So you can have an automatic discount and a discount code. Automatic discount only is activated in the Shopify store in checkout. That's automatic. You don't control it. It's when somebody buys something, then they get either a discount on the order, they get an old product, they get a discount on the order, or they get a discount on buy one, get one for free, and also shipping discount. And there's two free shipping discounts you can activate, which is really, really confusing. Plus, this does not work with products. So if you want to sale in the product, then you have to go to products and to discount and to compare prices. So that's when you have that little icon, sale icon on your product on the website. So this does not work with that. And you know what? I still don't know why it doesn't work together. So anyway, discount code, automatic discount. I like to use a discount code because, okay, so the first thing is you can use a discount code when you want to put it on your website. No, you can always put it on your homepage. You can share it with anybody. You can share it in emails. Automatic discounts just happen, as I said, happens automatically. Why I like the discount code is that you can control it. Not everybody, and this is a bit of a cheat, not everybody remembers to take the discount because they forget. They are in busy shopping and everything, then they forget about the discount. So there's another way to connect to your customers. I always say give people their discounts because they then connect to you, but you are initiating that initial conversation with them. So discount codes are great. Your automatic discount will only happen in the checkout, which is really confusing for some people because when they're in the cart, they don't see the discount. So anyway, again, I like using the discount code in the for the discounts because I can then connect to my customer. Here you can actually create your discount. It can be generated, which is really odd. I don't know whoever will use this on their website because it's such a. Actually, I did create it here. It's such a. I didn't save it. It's such a huge number. Nobody's going to remember it. So the generated discounts are normally generated by the email that you send out automatically when somebody signs up for a newsletter. Or if you're sending out a newsletter and you are adding the discount to the newsletter. I like to use things, and again, go to your brand, have a look at what they're doing, and then, that's where you get ideas from. So 50 off doesn't look so good because it really looks odd. But if you say off 50%, somebody will remember this, right? So I like to give my own discount code names. Then this is product discount. So for the product discount, first the value, percentage or fixed amount, depending what you want to do. You can do either or, and there's nothing good or bad for either or. It just is what good. A lot of people like to see the actual amount that comes off. So if you're giving a reasonable amount off, like $15 or $25 off a product, then that really makes sense. If it's a percentage, a lower percentage is always good to have just the percentage that you're showing. The all amount of products is you can specify with a collection and a product. You cannot do this. Let me go into mine. I want to show you both types of so order on the discount. So if you are doing a complete discount on the order, there is no products that you can allocate to it, only on the product discount. So then, you got to specify your products. You do a search, you browse, or you can do a complete discount on a collection, on a complete collection. When you're doing a discount on the order, you can actually allocate a sales channel, and this is new. So if you have a discount on, say, point of sale, or just Facebook and Instagram, or just Google, or one of these, right? These are all apps, sales apps that are added in here, that you've added in your store. Then you can do it by sales channel, or you can do it on all of them. So you can allocate. This is for on the order, not on the products, right? So let's go back to, and I'm hopping backwards and forwards, but otherwise it's going to be very confusing. So then we have on both is minimum purchase. Let me have a look here, minimum purchase. Yes, minimum purchase requirements on both. And I think these are on all of them. Let me actually have another discount that I'm going to, email campaign. Oh, I only have one email campaign activated right now. Let me go to buy one, get one free, or buy two, get one free, or whatever. Buy X, get Y. Again, you can see here that it's totally different. It has no value, no percentage. You can give, you can give it on the quantity of the items or the purchase amount. So it's no percentage. Again, here is, there is at a discounted value of percentage or free, the second item. So we'll deal with that separately. So let's go back to, this one is amount of products. So you have a minimum, you have got a maximum, minimum purchase amount. You have to put the amount in there, or minimum quantity of items. I don't normally restrict on items, because why would you do that? Because again, if somebody wants to buy 5 of them, let them buy 5 at a discount. You don't want to restrict people. So no, unless it's a really good reason, if you only have 5 items and you only want to give discount on 2, and it's a limited amount that you're giving, or whatever your reason is, then I would say minimum quantity items. Minimum purchase amount, again, you can allocate and say, I only want to give a discount if they buy for $75, right? And this is on, again, I've got to remind myself, off the products, right? Let's have a look if off the order, yes, off the order is exactly the same. So you get a minimum amount, minimum quantity items. So that's, this is where you can add, say you get buy 3 items, and which is going to cost them $75, and then they get one for free, or everything after that amount they get at a discount, right? And then you have your customer eligibility. So all customers, you can have segments of customers, you can specific customers. This is a good idea. If you say, for instance, if you have a wholesale customer, I need to remember that. If you have a wholesale customer, then you can actually add a segment in here. So you can see this is not, this is actually automatic added from Shopify, which is fabulous. So customers who haven't purchased, customers who have purchased more than once, abandoned checkout in the last 30 days, or email subscribers. So you can specify who you want to give these discounts to. Let me see what's in mine. Specific discounts. Say, for instance, if you had, I've got a wholesale, so I allocated a certain section of my customers, and I've got one that's me, because I was testing it as a wholesale customer. So you can allocate this only to wholesale customers, or from the United States. Here's another one that I've added, just United States. Oh, because I've got customers. So this and this store, I don't have customers yet. So obviously, as you add in customers, it will give you options in here. And let me just take a screenshot of this, because this is awesome. And then, so again, specific customers. So you can segment your customers under customers and give them a tag. And tags are very important. So even if you have customers who are wholesale, and obviously they're not eligible for taxes, so you can put them in that wholesale segment of customers. Then we're getting to what's this here? Back to amount of product, and this is amount of order. So this is the order amount, right? So the sales channel, you've got minimum requirements, you've got customer eligibility in all of them. In amount of order, you have a maximum discount use, and amount of product, you also have a maximum discount use. So both of them are the same. So limit number of times this discount can be used in total. So you can say, hey, you don't want people to really use the discounts more than 5 times, because if they use them more than 5 times, then they get because you've got a limited amount of products, right? Or if you limit 1 per customer, you can do both actually. You limit to 1 use per customer, limit number of times this discount may be used in total. So you can limit to 1 use per customer. I don't know how these two actually work together. So limit number of times this discount be used in total, limit to 1 use per customer. So they only can use it once, but you can also limit the number of times it can be used. That is really strange. It's doing my head in this Monday morning. Okay. Then I'll have to think about that. Then you go to combination. So you can combine, and this is also new. You can combine your discounts. This is in my Kids Love Life. So your 50% off product can be connected to other product discounts and a shipping discount, or only the shipping discount. obviously you have to actually have a shipping discount for it to show up. So let's have a look in this one. Combinations, shipping discounts. I haven't set up any shipping discounts. So if you want to use the shipping discount, you have to set up a shipping discount first, or have a shipping discount in your shipping and delivery settings. And so otherwise it won't work, obviously. So you have to go back, either set up a discount for free shipping, come back in here, combine both the discounts, or combine the discount once you've set it up in settings and shipping and delivery. Let me see if I've got anything in here that we can use. Sales channel, combination with other discounts. Oh, I don't have many discounts in here anyway, so I just like to keep a few of them going, because otherwise it can get really, really confusing. And so here is shipping discount. So I can use these. So I can actually check it off, save it, and then go and actually create the shipping discount or the other product discount. But I always think that create them first, then come back, allocate the different combinations, because you are going to forget what you've set up. It can get very confusing. Then we have all the discounts have active dates, right? You can set an end date, or it can be something that is ongoing. So my email discount is an ongoing discount. Let's see here. This one, the page. This email discount is ongoing. There is no, I've got an end date here. So you can actually, let's see if I've got a shipping discount in here. No shipping discounts. Oh yeah, I'm not going to have free shipping discounts with these heavy products. So you can actually tell it it's an end date, or let it run. So again, you have to make sure that you keep note of this, because sometimes you don't want this to run. Keeping an end date on it is a really good idea, because you want to minimize the discounts. You don't want to give people discounts all the time. So let's go and have a look at the buy one, get one for free. You also can have, as Kelly has, she has an app that does this buy one, get one free. And Kelly, this is a new one as well in Shopify, the buy one, get one free. So I would say here, buy one, get two, as a named one, and then minimum quantity of items, or minimum purchase amount. So you can have, they get two for free if they purchase over $50. You can set specific collections or products, and then you have to actually allocate the products in here. Otherwise it does not save. So you have to allocate the product. Then the customer gets two, obviously that's what you said, and then you have to allocate the collection or the products, and then you choose if it's a product or a collection, then you allocate the product or the collection. Let's see here. So now it churns over to the collection. Then at a discount value, so you are giving them, say for instance, if we had amount, you are giving them, after $75, they can get, if they buy things for $75, they can get 2 items for free. It's a percentage, which you add a percentage in here, or a free amount. So you can allocate what you want to do. It's not always good to give things away for free unless it's in your profit margins, right? You've got to make sure that these things are set up in your profit margins. So set a maximum number of uses per order. You can say, okay, I only want this to happen once or twice. So you can really get down to the nitty-gritty of how to restrict this. I really like this. And then obviously, again, by customer eligibility, specific customers, and then obviously your maximum uses, again, limit 1 use per customer, or limit number of times this discount can be used. I have no idea why you can use these two, but I will investigate. Combinations, again, you can combine them, and then you can have an active date. Say, for instance, if you wanted to do Mother's Day coming up, you either buy one, get two for free, buy two, get one for free, or whatever, depending on what you want it to, what you want it to do. And then here on the side, you can always see what you've allocated. So you don't have to go through this and go, what did I do with this again? You can actually see what you've done with your discount. Keep note of your discounts, because it can get very confusing. And I know Kelly's had lots of discounts in her lots of discounts over the years. So I would really limit and make an end date for the discounts, unless it's a welcome email 10%. I just do welcome email 10% for all my customers, or welcome email 10% on your next order. So they have to order something. And this one is actually 20% of entire. Oh, this was per email campaign. So I allocated these. If you sign up for our email, then you get one use per customer. It does expire. So in the email, I've said it had to expire. You can then choose if you wanted to. So you don't actually set up the automatic newsletter emails. This is totally set up in the email provider, either Shopify. I've got OmniSend. That's where it's controlled. So you don't have to do anything at all, and it will expire. So you can make sure that you send them an email saying, hey, your discount is going to expire. Come back and shop with us. Then this is a campaign where I said, hey, there's a 20% off from this email. And again, I set it up, and here it shows you the code is set up automatically by OmniSend, which is my email provider. Use this, Moya Collections. And so here we had 40% off the entire order for summer. And I didn't have any restrictions. They could just buy, and we literally made some money on this one. There's obviously with 20% discount. I think I sold $8,000 here. So you can see here on the side, here's for 40% discount, a minimum purchase, all customers, no usage limits, can't combine with other discounts. And then it was activated till July. Oh no, we only made 4. So you can see, and so you can actually see how much you made with that one discount code, which is fabulous. So you can always track and you can also track your discount codes with your analytics. Let me go. I don't want to show too much on this one. With your analytics, the page, we're going to go for the free shipping in a minute. So you can literally see here reports, and you can see the discount codes. Let me see here, discount codes. Let me do a search. Authors, categories, inventory, sales. So we'll go all the sales, and then discount. Here you can see all the discount codes with all your sales. So you can get really specific on where your discounts are, what's a good discount, and when it actually happened as well. You want to know when discounts are happening. So let's go back to discounts. I want to show you the free shipping, and then I'm going to also show you the per product discount, but it goes, that doesn't actually work with the discount. So let's go here, create discount, free shipping discount. I don't know why they call it a free shipping discount. Yeah. So again, free shipping, all countries. You can actually select a country that you want, and you really, really don't want to have free shipping to all countries, because it is seriously expensive shipping to other countries. So you can allocate your countries. The countries will be the ones that you have in your shipping and delivery allocation. Okay. And then shipping rates, exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. So you can say, they can only ship free over a certain amount. Then again, minimum purchase amount, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and then again for the discount. So this shipping now, if I set this up, let's set this up, free shipping, free ship. We're only going to do it to the United States. That's it. I'm going to do everything free shipping, no requirements, all customers, no maximum details. Let's see if we can add them here. We'll save this. Then we'll go into another discount. And now it actually gives me a shareable link as well. We'll go into another discount. Oh, I didn't set one up. I'm going to set up this discount for 10 off, off 10, mother 10, whatever. We're going to have 10. Obviously, if I'm calling it 10, it says 10 off. Specific collections. I don't have collections in here. Let's see. Browse. No, have no collections in. So you have to have actual collections before it will take off. Oh, I've got a test here. Let's do it on this one. Then no minimums, purchase requirements, all customers, no limits. I'm going to use it. Oh, I have to save it first. Let's see if it works now. Oh, okay. So now I've added the shipping discounts. Isn't this typical, right? Okay, added shipping discounts. We have to go back to our original 10 off, and let's see if it works now. Shipping discounts with other products. No shipping discount are currently set to combine. I've just set it up. Oh, so you have to wait. You have to wait before it actually takes. So shipping discounts, not set to combine. Hang on a sec. Not set to combine. Here, I want to use it on product discounts. I want to use it on order discounts. That's what it is. So I've got one product discount here that I want to set it to combine, and that's done here. Okay, so let's go back again. So you got to have the free shipping discount, close it out, come back in again, and then you can combine it with the product discount or an order discount. Let's go do an order discount. This can get really confusing really fast. Let's do an order discount. So we'll do 30 new or 30 sales. We'll call it 30 sales. This is 30%. No minimum, no all customers. This is just quickly. Now we're going to add it to one shipping discount. And this is the free shipping discount. So again, you know, things not easy with whatever you're setting up. So you've got to come back in again. What I would suggest is, again, you know, I love to do spreadsheets. If you are doing discounts, do your spreadsheets. Make sure that you're in the spreadsheet. You have your 90-day promotions that you're going to do, your percentage that you're going to do, what products you're going to combine with what. And so you, at a glance, you can actually see what's happening, because this is seriously going to be confusing if you don't keep an eye on what you're doing, right? So that's what I would do. Or even just a written, hey, you know, I'm going to give these discounts. I love spreadsheets because it keeps you notable of, and also adding the dates in the spreadsheet, adding your start date to your end date, year, when it's happening. So then you can come back and adding those discounts. I know we've got analytics, but adding those discounts. So a year from now, you can come back and go, you know what? I did my Black Friday discount, started it 2 weeks before. So maybe I should, let's increase it to 4 weeks and see what the results are, because, you know, you don't know until you start testing things how well your promotions are going to actually be. So I'm going to open this up to some, oh, that's the other thing I was going to show you before I open it up to questions. So in products, so discounts cannot be used on your product page. What I mean by that is that it can only be used in checkout, where people are adding their discount code to checkout. And you guys know this because you probably used it with other brands. When you see a sale discount on your products, it's added in the product. Let's open this up. It's added here in the product. And so if your product is, say, $47 normal price, and you want to have a sale on the product, you don't add the sale price at compare price. Again, this is a Shopify quirk. You're going to add your price in compare price, then add and say, hey, I'm going to be offering offering it for $25. It's a really good idea to actually have your cost per item in here. So my cost per item is $7.50, 40. Then the margins are 70%. So that's your profit is $17. So you know that that's a huge. Let me see if I change this to 15. Then you know your profits are only $7.60. You don't. Oh, it's 50%, right? So let's add this as $7. Okay, where's our banking person here? All right, so now you know the profit is $9.60, is at 50%, 56% margin. So I would, if you are starting to play with this, make sure that you are making a profit. Okay, make sure you make a profit. So this then, if you're adding this here, it will be added to your product page. Let's have a look at my product page. And it will have that line through your price and adding the new price. That's most themes, I think. And you can change that as well. And obviously it's sold out because I don't have any products allocated to it. And I'm telling them here, I've got to track quantity. Oh, I don't have any quantity here. And I'm telling it to track quantity. So if you don't want it to track quantity, then it won't. Let's have a look here. It won't actually show. See, only it says it's on sale. I'm not tracking the quantity. Okay, so this is only on your product. So this will also show in your collections. So on your collections, you will have the sale button. Discounts. Okay, so discounts, automatic discounts, and you can activate it in your marketing. So if you have a campaign, so let's go to Shopify campaign in emails. I did activate discount in here, right? Okay, let's have a look if I activate it. Otherwise, I have to go to my own store. So in your campaign, update app, I haven't added the app to this. Okay, let's go to marketing, leave page, create campaign, Shopify email, and you can do this in any email provider. And then you're going to spring sale announcement, select, and then we're going to go to create your email. Hello, and hello. Add section, and where's your discount? Discount. So you can literally add your discount. So your discounts will pop up here in the email. See that? Boom. And so automatically, and it will add the product in here as well, because it knows your email provider or Shopify know already what your products are in. So once you created that discount, you can use it everywhere. Okay, questions? Now, I ran through this very fast. And sometimes it's extremely confusing. Yes, let's check the chat. Okay, start out with Shopify email, or is the email system too limited? I would say it's not that limited. You can start out with Shopify email to start with. The only restriction is you can't have two legs. So you can't have an even or a if-then statement that you have with other shopping providers. And so starting here is a really good idea, and then testing it out, because once you start with an email provider, they will charge you after a certain amount, and so will Shopify as well. But it's easier, right? You don't have too many apps and things that you're adding to your Shopify store. So yeah, I would really literally start with one. And as you can see, here we can create an automation. And we've just done this with Nancy's. So then checkout, welcome new subscribers. This is and all you have to do is actually make sure that I better not activate this. I'm going to deactivate it after I'm done, because I'm using an email provider. So if you have to create the email, right? And the email is your header text, your subject, and your preview text you have to add. Let's see here. Hello. Otherwise you can't do anything. Hello. Yeah, I mean, and this is taking my colors off my brand. Very bright colors. I was testing all the colors, but you can change them here. So, and it's the easiest way. So this is an automation, make it work in Shopify, and you can see everything that's happening. That's a draft. And you can also here, actually, my OmniSend is showing me my tracks and everything as well. And then I've got top channel performance direct, right? And so here you'll have all the things that are happening it actually grabs things. So your email provider will work with Shopify and then share the customer as well. Kelly, I don't know if Kelly can talk because she's on a phone. I don't know about constant contact and them showing it here in Shopify. I think they do, because they've got the API activated. Kelly, can you talk from your phone? Oh, she's out again. All right, so we don't know. So yes, any questions? Okay, because it's a pity you don't have your microphone. So Nancy, do you have any questions? I know it's really hard when you can't actually see a lot. And Lynn, any questions?
No, not at the moment.
Okay, Nancy, here's a good idea. So this is what we will talk about on Thursday as well. So when you're launching, think about a launch discount, because let me see. I'll show you what we've done with Kalahari. So we've got a launch discount that I'm going to activate in the email newsletter. If somebody comes in the store, they're going to have I think we said 35%. Actually, no, we make it 45%. They have to buy 2. And this is our launch discount, and it's on all the sales channels. You have to buy 2 items, then you get 45% discounts for all the customers. We don't have a limit, and I'm just going to run it until I'm done with my launch. The launch is obviously taking a little bit longer than what I thought it would. So I'm going to be sending the emails. Oh, the other thing that I was going to show you as well, you can actually see what you're doing on your timeline. So if you're changing your discounts, or you're activating them, or let me see here, active, scheduled, expired, active, stay active. Here we go. So so let's see if I don't think I've changed anything. So you can see a discount was edited, and then March 11th I also discounted whatever I was doing. I'm always testing these things out. Or you can actually leave a comment for yourself, or say for instance, Nancy, you working with Jennifer, so leaving a comment here is good, because so you're both on the same page, just to show what you're doing. Or if you have somebody helping in your store, it's always good to leave a comment here, to also just to keep track of what you're doing, right? because now I discounted, this discount was edited. I know I use this for my book, so I'm not going to worry about it. But, you know, you come and you go, why did I discount this edit? Why did I edit this discount? Then having a note in here will actually show you that, hey, this was my idea, and this is why I did it. And with everything, right? When you are in orders and you're changing the order because, you know, the customer had a problem, or, you know, the shipping didn't work out, keeping those notes everywhere you can is really, really good idea. Because you come back 2 weeks later, if you're busy, or a month later, you go, what did I do here? Why did I do this? You know, and keeping track of the changes in your store.
Can you show
So-
us another example where to see that, like where you can put a note in?
Oh, okay. So if you have Artistic Africa, say for instance here, and believe me, this is a really complicated client because I'm always changing things. So you can see here, I've credited their account to shipping. I didn't keep a note, but this is good enough for me. I've sent them an email. I marked this as paid. Okay, and then, you know, a shipping label. No, I didn't keep I did keep a note on one of these. Hang on.
Or maybe just how
Because-
to create a note. How do you create a note?
Oh, you just go in there and hang on, we'll do it in here. You just, and hello, baby,
Okay.
right? And post it.
Uh-huh.
So I better edit that. That's going to be a really edit comment and delete comment, right? So
Okay.
you can, and you can attach a file to it. So if you changing things in your order and you want to attach the original file just for yourself, you can reference a page, you can mention stuff. So you can actually add, I'll say at Amanda, hey, you know, this is for you, check this out. So you can actually reference each other in Shopify, and she'll get that add emoji. Why you would add emoji in your comments, but you can reference people in your Shopify store as well, which is really a good way to keep track of what you do. For instance, I mean, with these, I should keep better notes, but I'm always texting her and letting you know what's happening. Where we had to literally split the order. Let me see if I get notes. Because of shipping. No. But you know, it keeps track of whatever you're actually doing in your order, which is a good idea as well. You filed a shipping, I filed a shipping insurance claim because it broke during shipping. So then I'm keeping track of what's happening in each one of these orders. And customers, let's see if I can do a customer. You can have a timeline on a customer. So in the customer thing, you literally see what's been happening with that customer. Who's this? Me. So, you know, if you've emailed the customer, if you've, you know, sent them the order, if you're shipping customer, you called them, the phone was removed from this customer. And then I emailed them. I did some marketing and it went through to the customer, which is really fabulous. And then obviously, you know, you have all this information as well. So yeah, you know, it's really fabulous the way it actually creates all those. And there's products you don't have. It's only in your active Shopify that you have those notes. So discounts, orders, customers, also draft orders. You can create draft orders. Let's see here. I had to create draft orders because I had to split the orders up because of shipping. So sorry, Nancy, you were saying something?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, is there a way automatically a discount to the order so customers doesn't have to remember? Yes. So as I was saying, in your discount, you can literally allocate an automatic discount. They will only see it. They don't know about it. They will only see it when they are in checkout. So here we go. So automatic discount. You obviously you've got to name it, whatever it is. and then is the same thing, specific collections, your minimum amounts, your combinations, and then you add it in here. So let me see if you can add it to a specific collection of product. But this is just on an order. So you can say automatic on order, or on the product, automatic collections on the product. Let's have a look here. Of product, also automatic. Let me see if there's an automatic discount on buy one, get one free. Yes, you can also have the automatic on buy one, get one free. So yes, and then the customer doesn't have to remember, but they're not aware of it unless you tell them that this is what's going to happen. So you have to have it on your, I would suggest having it on your website homepage, so you remind them, and probably in the cart as well. Good discount. Let's see here, free shipping. So free shipping is not automatic. So free shipping will be automatic when you create the free shipping in shipping and delivery. So you can create a free shipping option. Okay, this is a really bad example. Let's create a free shipping here in shipping and delivery. So, and you can add that as well. This is also a new thing to your discounts, right? Combination. So you add a free shipping here, you just add a rate, which is set up your own rate, custom flat rate, call it free shipping. Boom. There's no price, it's 0. Add conditions based on weight or price. 0, you've got to add in here, no limit, and done. So now you have a free shipping in your shop, in your store. So who's this? Okay, my kids, this is my practice store. So you can add your free shipping, and let's have a look if it pops up on the, it's supposed to pop up on the discounts. Discounts, let's go to off. It's funny how it does not take it on immediately. Let's see if it's on here. Okay. Well, the notes on Shopify said you can combine them. So this is just free ship on these. Oh, you can't combine it with a discount. The free shipping and shipping and delivery is just a general free shipping that will pop up on checkout. So when they're checking out, let me check out here. When they're checking out, no, let me just do it under customize. Customize on checkout. The checkout, when they're adding after they added the continue shipping, oh, blah, blah, blah. Hang on. What's my email? Gmail. And go away, and V and J and and Seabrook. That might not work. 77586. Let me see if this works. Your drive, and we go to shipping. So this is where it will pop up. And so I've got local delivery. Your free shipping will pop up here. So you create that in shipping and delivery. That's not your discount. So that's separate too. Again, very confusing. I don't know why they did that both ways. But so you can combine that with just discounts. So free shipping is on everything that you allocated into shipping and delivery. Here is you can combine it with just a product or a collection. So you can be very, very specific. And also on, say, for instance, specific customers, which you can't do in shipping and delivery. So shipping and delivery is just general. And you can then allocate, you can allocate the products in shipping and delivery, but you can't do it on specific customers or anything like that. Okay. This is my story and I'm sticking to it. So this is 11 o'clock. This is as far as I'm going to go. I'm going to stop this recording because this is for the boot camp. Stop recording.